Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony Wall Street Trade. It's 4:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, October 8th, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell and the thumbs up and share the video with your family, friends, colleagues who are interested in the price action of Quant. Quant Network, the biggest, the baddest. I don't know what else to say about it. It's just one of a kind, to be quite frank. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. Let's move forward. Intraday action here. So Quant US dollar is actually, continually respecting this line. We had a nice little pop yesterday, like 332, pulled back. But it's okay. We're kind of consolidating on this line. The line started as resistance, now support. Now, where do we go next? Well, I think we're going to be sideways a bit. And I'm going to tell you why I think we're going to actually have a pop in the very near future. And I'm going to plot that with some prior Bitcoin action relative to current Bitcoin action on tomorrow's video, and I'll explain that in a second. But in the meantime, Quant relative to Bitcoin, certainly respecting this line. Again, like what I drew yesterday, when I redrew it, it was not just redrawing lines to redraw lines. It's yet another level of support. You look at Fibonacci, there's like 10 lines on that thing. So again, like you can draw a line and it can rechange. It depends on how many touch points there are, and ultimately you want to have as many touch points on that line to make it a more valid line. That's just generally speaking. It's not perfect, but it's there. In the meantime, let's go take a look. Right now we got a floor. We got a floor of 536, and we got a high up here of 939. So we got a lot of height on this channel. So we're going to watch this thing. In the meantime, going over to Quant US dollar, we got a floor of 286 right now. So don't get crazy if it goes down to 286. If you're in it for a day trade, well, it's going to be a boring week for you. Let me tell you, it's going to be a boring week anyway. But let's just be real here. We think at some point this thing will change direction. I feel pretty confident it's going to go up strong over the near future. In the meantime, looking over at Bitcoin now, as I've said, what I want to do tomorrow is point out where on this Bitcoin chart, where did we see the subsequent altcoin rally, right? It all happened somewhere around here. I don't know exactly when. I want to go back and do proper analysis on it, figure out where it was back here, and then find out where the relevance was here. Because altcoins kind of rally all together sometimes in a big way, and it happens on a sweeping basis. So I want to make sure I get that right to show you. It's not to say that it's going to happen exactly that way, but it would be good to know. Look, we predicted this rectangle with this rectangle here. It's not to, I think it's, it could just as well be that altcoins have that same exact delayed reaction on a relative basis for some reason or other. Bitcoin dominance, slightly going down here. Obviously, this was that whale move that happened where the institutions were buying. This was not the piker world buying like you and me, or the retail market. Pikers typically are not in these whale moves. We kind of watch it go up unless we already hold it, and then we just ride the wave of the whale or the institution. And honestly, this was purely institutional buying, in my opinion, less to do with piker buying. Now, this coming down is a good sign right now. So we just want Bitcoin to slowly trek up like that, and we want this Bitcoin dominance pair to come down. And when altcoins start really rallying, you're going to see this kind of drop dramatically. But that's pretty much all I've got. I don't see any major market moves between today and tomorrow, but we will be riding this line with a